Start to a new day. Another cold start. 23 degrees out today. Alright, well, I got the hood open. SPE lab, intake horn. Got the grid heater delete. Aftermarket. Exhaust manifold. Now, these new headlights I got, they're LED. Last fit. Heard a lot of good things from this brand. They've got floor mats, bed liners, headlights. All right, open the box. There's neat, secure. They ain't gonna fall out. It's tight fit. Let's get one of these out. Let's see this one that's on top. They're clean, sleek. There's an LED there. LED on that side. Plugs right into the wiring harness. See how these look. Got 3 bolts to remove the headlight. Got the one there. There's one way down in there. See if this I can get in there. Way down there where my socket went. Possibly that bolt and that plastic clip up there as well. Once you got the headlight off, the back side of it, there's gonna be this little panel here. You're gonna take all these bolts out here, take this panel off, and you'll be able to access the bulbs then. Here it is with the new LED low beam and high beam. And it's super bright. I guess the previous owner put LEDs in the low beams already. So this is what the old lights look like. The low beam was already LED. I am putting the new last fit LED in there though, because I don't know what brand the old one is. And the old high beam was just the old halogen. They only switched to low beam, so it's got that weird offset color. But now they will match and they'll look good. And they'll match my LED rock lights down there as well. End result, new headlights are in. They look good. With the old LED bulb that was in the low beam, I had like a buzzing from like the fan on the back side of the LED bulb. There was buzz when the headlights were on. Last fit, up close, they don't buzz, so I ain't got to worry about that issue now. We'll see how they work tonight